everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add volume in Blender that can be used in EEVEE render engine. So first, add an empty volume, go to modifier properties, add a modifier of mesh to volume. Then choose your object. Now you can set the density, exterior band width, and also you can increase or decrease the volume amount for more or less detail. Now you can hide your object in viewport and disable it in the render. Also, you can uncheck fill volume to have it empty inside. And this is it. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.